Cast.
More numerous showers and thunderstorms expected, and that's why our first alert weather day is certainly well underway. We have numerous either severe or flash flood warnings that are already underway. First of all, we'll zoom in to Orange and Louisa County, which remain under warning mainly until 6:30. Damaging winds here along the eastern portion of Orange County. That extends back toward the Boswell Tavern area and just west of Louisa. Most of those till 6:30. Winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour, potentially some three-quarter inch hail. And again, that's mainly along that 522 corridor and then back into northwestern Louisa. A lot of lightning, very heavy rain with these storms. Then we have until 7:15 a severe thunderstorm warning for Buckingham County. These storms are moving out of Appomattox. Storms are lifting off to the east and northeast at about 35 miles an hour. So they're moving at a good clip. Lots of lightning, wind gust up to 60 miles per hour and potentially some three-quarter inch hail. Then we have numerous flash flood warnings that'll continue for several more hours for a good portion of Culpeper, most all of Madison, Olive Green, and northern Albemarle County, that until 8 o'clock. And more concerning was reports along 29 corridor near the town of Madison of some 6 to 8 inch water rushing over the roadway. And we also have a flash flood warning for eastern Rockingham County until 7:30, including the town of Elkton. And then we have a flood warning for the Broadway area and northern Rockingham until 8:15. These are some of the Doppler radar estimates of rainfall from some of these storms. So many of these locations are over 2.5 to over 3.5 to over 4 inches of rainfall. And that extends into portions of Orange as well. Then we have more storms now that are cresting over the mountains. Here we are in the Batesville area, North Garden. You have a storm that's underway and approaching you quickly. Covesville, some heavy downpours. These are moving off to the east. So after 6:30, these should start to impact the city of Charlottesville. We'll widen out the view. You can see the severe thunderstorm watch box that's in play. That goes until 9 o'clock tonight. Again, the main threat's damaging wind gusts, and of course the flood potential is high, and the northern reaches of the viewing area are really getting hammered with the repeat of those storms here this afternoon. We made it up to 89 at the airport. Most of us have been rain cooled. It's still steamy, but we're in the 70s. Now, this is the model's depiction of a simulation of the radar going forward. It still shows more storms till about 9-10 o'clock, and then we'll have a lingering showers that'll take us into early Wednesday morning. Wednesday should begin cloudy, then some clearing, but the front doesn't come through till about midday, so we can't rule out maybe an afternoon shower storm, but nothing of coverage like we're seeing today. Overnight lows either side of 70, upper 60s, low 70s. So that's how we start our morning, then some clearing. The front will continue to push off to the east, but we can't rule out a stray shower storm. And then as we move into Thursday, we'll have a drop off in the humidity, and that'll feel a little bit better, and temperatures will be seasonable, generally in the mid to upper 80s. That sets us up for the Independence holiday there on Friday, July 4th. Again, not as humid, and that should take us into the holiday weekend. Front still west of the Ohio River. That will clear the region by later tomorrow. So additional showers and storms tonight. Numerous flash flood warnings. Never attempt to cross flooded roadways. First alert weather day continues until later tonight. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After tomorrow, a little drier stretch of days expected. Temperatures upper 80s to around 90. Should be a nice upcoming holiday weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
And a check of your forecast from